Hey folks, let's do today's CSS battle. Clicking. All right. What do we got here? I think it's all in the body, huh? I think. Let's do the blank template. We don't need that. I think I'm going to start with a conic gradient. And how little of a conic gradient can I get away with, I guess is the question. Let's find out. Background is conic gradient. And so I'll tell you the plan. I guess I'll call my shot. This is a conic gradient and two inset backgrounds. Two inset box shadows. So first part is a conic gradient. We do that light, this gray color, and then this color, and we get 75% around, and then 0, and then to get it to repeat, we just put it at 0 here, and to give it a width of 200 pixels, and we might get. So if I give it the right width, maybe is it 3? 250, 40, 50, 60, 70, 65, 66, 67, 68. No. So let's put the no repeat on it. And then how little can we do to get that shape? I think it's got to be 270. Yeah, 270 gets it. And then we do need it at 40 pixels. We're just going to do the 100, 130, and then if we move the thing down, 2, 3, and then if I let it repeat, that gets it. Is this the best way to do it? Probably not. But box shadow, aforementioned box shadow, 10 pixels, 10 pixels, and then the green, comma or semicolon, and then we need to do the keyword inset, and that gets us that. So over 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 5, 100. There it is. And then if I do another inset, so I'm just copying. That's minus 50 there, and then that's it. Submit. Is this a good solution? It's hard to be excited about it, but maybe it's quite good. It's actually a good score. 653 is fine. I think I was complaining yesterday about lack of good scores. We got insets. My modification code doesn't do well with inset keyword. Resubmit. And we're done. That's how we do it. So that's 707. That's pretty good. The alternative would be, what's the alternative? Put the margins on this body. Put this background. Margins go on the paragraph element. Background is this green. We use margins to push this down. Let's push those down. 100, and then 50, 40, 42, and then a height of 200. Okay, and then we've got, I guess our choices are, how about a linear gradient that's coming in from 90 degrees. That's this color and it goes 20% or something, and then this color 0. All right, and then we're gonna put the no repeat whammy on this so that we can get the right width. We said it was it's 220. It's a different scheme. So 30%, 40, 35%, 36, 37. Don't like any of those. How about 60Q? 70, 80, 90, 85Q, 86Q, 84Q, 85Q, 83, 4, 5. I don't like any of those. How about 70 pixels? Make it 80, and you got a deal. And then you give it a height. 50 pixels. So here's the problem. It's at 50, so it needs to be 0, 0. And it's 70 pixels tall. Oh no, we said 80. 80. And we let it repeat on the x-axis, like so. And then we got to give it a background color, a backup color. And then that's another solution. That's fine too. That's fine. Can you think of another way to do this one? There are many ways to do a couple of squares and patterns, right? Lots of choices there. I definitely like my inset solution better than this one. It's really more fun to do than this one. That's still a pretty good score. All right. How about a conic gradient on this guy? Conic, which is going to be that color. Whoops. 75% around. 270 degrees. 75%. And then this color. And then again, we're going to put it at 0. And then, what do we say, 200 pixels wide? And you can kind of see that happening, see that forming. And we do an at, and we might have it at 10, 20, 50 pixels, 50 pixels. I don't commit the numbers to memory. Maybe I should. No, I'm probably not going to. That's fine. 80. And then 220. Let's submit that. Submitting. Unit replace and minify. Little bits and pieces. That's another solution to the problem. And that's a better high score. So, yeah, okay, fine. I think I can do what? Can I do that there? Yeah, I can do that. Making the container an ampersand. Margin, blah, 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 and then resubmit. And then that's the final. So through 3 ways, all pretty straightforward solutions. And this turns out to be the best one of it. 2 inset backgrounds, it's fine. Could also probably do without the paragraph marker, and then you do margins, which would be what? It would be that. And then we move this inside, do some nested CSS action, like so. Very similar in nature. Is that 50? Yeah, so that's fine too. We can drop the final submission. That's yet another way to do it, or a refinement of the other ways to do it. So this is an even better score. Lots of solutions to this one. Fun one. Thanks for watching. Hope you're having a great day. Make something with HTML and CSS. They are awesome. HTML and CSS are awesome. They're available to you. Everybody's carrying around a browser. If they're carrying a phone, they have a browser. And if they have a browser, they can load a web page. And so you can share it with the world that way. You don't need an app. Don't get an app. I know you're watching on YouTube, but still, don't get the app. Make a web page. Have a good day. Bye.